this video, we're going to take a look at ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities. We will mostly look at two quantities, and we will see one example where it is comparing three quantities. Ratios are expressed as a fraction or with a colon between the quantities. Whenever possible, reduce to a unitless ratio by canceling identical units in the numerator and denominator. In this first example, we see the ratio 3 inches over 8 inches. Since it's both inches in the numerator and denominator, they will be canceled, and the ratio becomes 3 over 8, which can also be written as 3 to 8. So it's pronounced 3 to 8. A driveway has a slope with a rise of 7 inches and a run of 35 inches. This is 7 over 35, or 7 to 35. Since both values are divisible by 7, we can reduce it, so we can write 7 over 7 to 35 over 7, which reduces to 1 to 5. In this example, simplify the ratio 2 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 8 inches. So in order to do this, we'll take a look at the ratio. The ratio is 2 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 8 inches. It will be helpful to have both of them in just inches. So we will convert both numbers to just inches. 2 feet is 24 inches, so 24 plus 8 is 32 inches. 6 feet 8 inches converts to 80 inches. So this now becomes 32 to 80. And 32 to 80 can be reduced, so we will reduce. Both are divisible by 16. So we'll divide 32 by 16 and 80 by 16, and that reduces to 2 to 5. In example 3, a line 25 inches on a blueprint represents a length of 40 feet on a house. To what scale was the blueprint drawn? So let's take a look at this in a few parts. The equal sign is often used on blueprints and maps instead of the colon. So we see that 25 inches on our blueprint is equal to 40 feet on the house. And so we want to write this so that it is something in inches equal to 1 foot. Blueprints are generally shown as a scale of x inches equals 1 foot. Therefore, divide both sides by 40 to obtain 1 foot on the right side. So you will see division by 40 here, so that cancels to a 1. And 25 over 40 reduces to 5/8. So 5/8 of an inch on the blueprint is equal to 1 foot on the house, and that would be the scale. In this fourth example, when a ratio cannot be expressed as a ratio of two whole numbers, it is often expressed as a ratio as some quantity to 1. So given the ratio 9.35 to 2.55, this will not be evenly divisible. And so therefore, we will reduce divide by the lowest value, which in this case is 2.55. If we divide both sides by 2.55, then this becomes, they will reduce there or cancel each other, and 9.35 divided by 2.55 is 3.67, and that is to 1. There was some rounding necessary, and I just kept it to the same number of decimal places as the original values in the question. All right, thanks for watching. There is some homework posted. I suggest that you give it a try.